Second innings now. Director of cricket at Cricket West Indies, Jamaica's Jimmy Adams, says the board is moving to get the regional franchises more involved in talent development. Adams, who was also speaking on the Mason Guest show in Barbados, says the 6 regional teams must play their part in the development of cricket in the Caribbean.
Sort of top-down approach, because it has to be done collaboratively with the franchises. Getting coaches, getting the development programs synced, so that while everybody has their own culture and their own method, the outcome that we want hits minimum standards at the different levels. So that when we go as far down as under 15s and work our way up, we know that we're building players towards world-class standards eventually by the time they hit their early 20s.
The former West Indies captain has been in the post of cricket director since 2017.